To understand when to use Trust Wallet installation, it is essential to first know what Trust Wallet is. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that allows users to securely store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. The first step in deciding whether to install Trust Wallet is to determine if you need a digital wallet. If you are interested in buying, selling, or trading cryptocurrencies, a digital wallet is necessary, and Trust Wallet is a great option. Next, consider the type of device you are using. Trust Wallet is available for both Android and iOS devices. So regardless of your smartphone type, you can install Trust Wallet. Another key factor is the level of security you require. Trust Wallet provides a high level of security, including encryption and backup options, to protect your assets. In terms of usability, Trust Wallet has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate, even for those who are new to cryptocurrency. Before installing Trust Wallet, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and sufficient storage space on your device. After installing Trust Wallet, you will need to set up your wallet by creating a password and backing up your wallet. This is a critical step to ensure the security of your assets. Best practices for using Trust Wallet include regularly updating the app, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious when receiving or sending cryptocurrencies. In summary, you should consider using Trust Wallet installation if you need a secure and user-friendly digital wallet for storing, sending, and receiving cryptocurrencies. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a safe and successful experience with Trust Wallet.